SEO Basics: How to use Google to bring targeted visitors to your pages. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. This means designing your website and pages in such a way as to appear at the top of Google queries. This is very important for businesses that want to increase traffic, seeing as most of us now head to Google first when we're looking for a product, service, or informational website. What's more is that SEO brings targeted visitors to your page, because these are people who have searched for the thing that you are offering, meaning there is a higher than average chance that they are interested in buying from you. So, how do you get started with SEO? What is the process? What terms do you need to understand? Let's look at the SEO basics. The foundations of SEO. SEO essentially boils down to second-guessing Google. More specifically, the aim is to try and understand Google's algorithms. An algorithm is, of course, a piece of code or math that is designed to produce a desired outcome by churning the information fed to it. Keyword search. It's important to know what people are searching for in relation to your products and information. Tools like Google's Keyword Research tool will allow you to get an idea of search volume for specific phrases around particular topics. You can then choose which of those to target. Of course, you also need to consider competition. How many huge brands are also targeting those phrases? Article writing. In order to index the web, Google uses programs that will trawl websites and read their content. This is what Google will use to understand the topic of your site and to make some assumptions regarding the quality. You need to make sure you add lots of new content to your site, as this will create more opportunities for your site to be discovered. Keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means inserting your chosen keywords into the content of your articles and some of the code of your website. Your aim is to repeat the search terms you're targeting so that Google is more likely to match your content to that search term. But you mustn't overdo this. Google doesn't want you to try and play the system, as that would mean low-quality websites could get to the top without delivering anything useful. This has been a genuine issue in the past, and it's something Google is keen to avoid. Link building. Links pointing at your website are important for two reasons. The first is that they tell Google your website is popular. It considers each of those links to be a testimony for the quality of your content. The second is that more links means more opportunity for Google to find your website. With all that said, Google doesn't want to see you buying links or using this as another way to try and trick their system. The best links are genuine earned links, which you can gain through meaningful partnerships or by creating content that people will actually want to see.